Travel with style and comfort with the all-new Force Traveler Tourer, customized by Bomb for Force, Shillong. Enjoy its big and comfortable cabin along with its large boot space. A new leather interior along with furnished floors, individual charging stations, personalized overhead air conditioning with pleasant after-dark lighting, comfortable reclining seats, adjustable side mirrors, and aerodynamic luggage carrier. For more customizable options, contact Bomb for Force, 3rd Mile, Upper Shillong.
War hadian chi banai bakaseng BGP kalapin bana bakan mino na Sorkar Mda Henry hadu menta kan kaseng kadang sngap jar klemshim ye kanu karai. Habai kren halor kaniu ba el hek nangelam kaseng BGP ulong ba hadu menta ompat don kanu kajing batha ne kajia kren bar kinong mi khamar kaseng BGP ki badan hadali bar kumta kidang ab karai jongki.
See, I will not say anything on because we leave it to the wisdom of the central leaders.
And no communications of nothing?
No communications. We leave it to the wisdom of the central leaders, yes. See that, so whatever it is decision been discussed in the last meeting, it is still there. But we don't know what is the later stage and what is the decision will be taken.